If you're a midwife and you're looking for a professional, affordable website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple website for your midwife services. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed or payment methods. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, currently over 900. If you're battling to find your market, don't forget to leave us a comment below and we will make sure that we add it. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, midwife. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and, and select that template. Go back. I accidentally selected the wrong one. Awesome. Let's go ahead and select that template now. Great, let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, multi-sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in. Do all the hard work, and as you can see, it's literally done it in a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well if you'd like to keep them. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written for you, make it a little bit more personalized to your business, offer some background information of how your business came to be and how you got into this industry. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some minor amendments. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section and I'm going to pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible on my website. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Phone number, that's click to call, and physical location, you can leave it off if you want to, but if you have one, pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've put the links in, the icons will be displayed here at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Head on over to the next section if you have a business logo to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, your logo, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames if you want to by clicking on that pencil. Otherwise, click on save here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with multi-sites as well, we've pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, scroll through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's so many to choose from. For each section you'd like to make a little bit more personalized to your business, click on that update section button directly underneath it. Under update images, where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from. Otherwise, you now have the option to connect your Instagram account. If you have one, with a click of a button, automatically pull in all your Instagram photos. Under update action is where we can edit those call to action buttons, the text on them, as well as where they're linked to. If you take bookings online through a third party, you can put the URL here under another website. Otherwise, upload a PDF file as well, which is a great option to put in your various rates and services. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you already have a custom domain through another service and you want to connect it, click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect your domain. If you don't have a domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your midwife services, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.